Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica J if you're new here, and to my returning subscribers, hello, how are you? So today we have a really exciting video. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. So today we're gonna go shopping at Pottery Barm, Crate and Barrel, CB2, West Elm, and Restoration Hardware. Hit the thumbs up button if you guys are excited to shop at these stores, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name on there is MyJessicaJ, and let's get started. Okay, first up is West Elm. Now their style is very mid-century modern. I absolutely love a good modern design, so West Elm is one of my favorite stores. I love the shapes that they use, these vessels. Oh, so beautiful. Now those planters at the bottom, I did see those at HomeGoods once upon a time. These planters at the top, I have been seeing them at the West Elm outlet in the terracotta color. So if you guys are interested in those, definitely check out your West Elm outlet. I love petrified wood. If you guys were lucky enough to get these from HomeGoods when they had them, you lucked up. Okay, next up is CB2. Their style is very modern yet edgy. I love going there for inspiration on very unique items. Now this bar cabinet, oh my goodness. This thing is beautiful. I love the wood tone. I love the brass handles. And of course the boucle sofa, very in right now. We looked at every single bar cart, every single bar moment. I think we want to create one. Now this is one of the items I wanted to see in the store. I wanted to see how big it was and the actual color. I was thinking about doing a hot cocoa station for the holidays and filling these up with marshmallows or something else. Now I can picture these on the table for the holidays with some nuts or maybe even some lemons for a bar moment. Just don't get it on the marble base. So here are the items I actually came here for. These are a marble base cake stand, and they have it in black and in white. And the top is made of black nickel, and these are so beautiful. I wanted to use one of these for my coffee bar. I was sold on the white ones, a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. And you guys, they are sold out until December. They have the floor model, but the top was scratched. I know, I must have thought I was at HomeGoods asking for a discount. The guy told me no, because they can order me one brand new and it's just sold out until December. I love these little stirring spoons. They're so modern, so chic, so beautiful for your bar moment or your coffee bar. Okay, are you guys ready for Christmas decor yet? This acrylic nutcracker was beautiful, and they also have the snowman over there too. Okay, next up is Crate & Barrel. Now their style is very contemporary. I absolutely love Crate & Barrel. I think I said that about every store though. How amazing are these rattan chairs? This is from their Leanne Ford collection. So beautiful. And my husband said that the chairs were actually really comfortable. This bar cabinet is also from their Leanne Ford collection. And of course, we had to look at the barware. Crate & Barrel has a lot of nice kitchenware for really good prices, I would say. You're paying for the quality. And that's one thing that did stick out to me at Crate & Barrel was all of their kitchenware. They had a lot and just very nice pieces. Of course, the coffee table books. I will say that Carlos Moda book I have been seeing at HomeGoods. So if you guys are looking for that book, check out your HomeGoods. Of course, I had to show you guys their sphere concrete planter. They do have it in 2 sizes. This is in the larger size. I really think that I'm gonna be that lady that's gonna decorate her home in all of these items. Okay, next up is Pottery Barm. Pottery Barm is more of your traditional style. They do have some European and French country influences. I went there to look at their vases, and I will say that they didn't really have much in stock. They did have a lot of these boucle blankets, and I will show you what it looks like on a couch in a second. Okay, and last up is Restoration Hardware. Now, Restoration Hardware does have several different styles, but one thing they are known for is using antique, weathered, European pieces in their design and very oversized items. I really love how they use a minimal approach with all of their design styles. Now you will find a few busts and a Tom Ford coffee table book at their design centers. One thing I absolutely love from Restoration Hardware are their chandeliers. They are absolutely beautiful. Restoration Hardware does use massive crystals on top of their coffee tables. If you're lucky, you can find a massive one at HomeGoods. Now, I have yet to find a really big one from there, but I know a lot of people do. So just keep your eyes open. You might look up, maybe during the holidays. I don't know. I don't know when they get them, but just keep looking if you want to save a lot of money on those things. Okay, we're back. So it seems like every item that I wanted was sold out, which, you know, everything that's going on right now, production slow down or it stopped completely. So it's understandable, but it looks like things are going to pick back up in December. So a lot of the items that I mentioned that I really wanted will be back in stock in December. But today was really fun and I got a lot of inspiration. I literally was like in heaven. Everything in there was just so beautiful. It was so nice. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this shop with me. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.